Should this be cause for concern?
I don't know.
Hello.
Oh God.
He just wants to say hello. Reach your arm out. Oh my God, this guy is a monster. Holy God. Look at how huge he is compared to this van. Holy God. Oh, please tip the van.
Oh.
This is the biggest elephant I've ever seen.